My killers. My killers who will not take no for an answer. My fucking warriors. This right here is the land of opportunity. Point is this. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man. I choose rich every fucking time. Because at least as a rich man, when I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch. Black boxes, they're called telephones. I'm gonna let you on a little secret about these telephones. They're not gonna dial themselves, okay? Without you, they're just worthless hunks of plastic. Like a loaded M16 without a trained Marine to pull the trigger. And in the case of the telephone, it's up to each and every one of you, my highly trained Stratonites. My killers. My killers who will not take no for an answer. My fucking warriors. Who will not hang up the phone until their client either buys or fucking dies!